All right, so tomorrow, March 8th, 2025, is a big day for fishing in the Pacific Northwest. The Pacific Coast opens up for bottom fishing. So that means you can go after the lingcod, you can catch 2 of them, and there is no minimum limit, or excuse me, there is no minimum size limit, okay? And then you can catch 5 rockfish. It's actually 7 rockfish, not 5, 7. Now we're talking tasty. And there's also other types of bottom fish you can catch, but you'll want to check the regulations for that, all right? So where I'll be going is Marine Area 1 through 3. All right, I won't be fishing in 1 through 3. I will be fishing in Marine Area 2-1, Westport. It's going to be, let's see, 72% waxing moon tomorrow, which is great for fishing. High tide's at 2:15 a.m. and the second high tide of the day is at 11:21 a.m. There's a 48% chance of rain on the coast. So bring your rain gear, wear your extra tufts, and don't wimp out on going just because there's a little bit of rain. All right, and other than that, it's going to be a high of 56 degrees. I haven't checked the wind yet, but as long as it's under 20 for me, if I do fish the jetties, then I'm good. I'm also planning on doing some surf fishing for redtails, but if the wind's up there, anything past 15, then I probably won't. But that's just me. So anyways, if I see you out on the coast, say hello. I'll be there with the GSD boys. All right, it's time to eat. Like Emerald Lagasse would say, oh yeah, babe. All right, I need to get my scissors so I can crack some crab. Look out, Rosas. I'm trying to get through.